Hello. In this video, I show you two methods on how to update NAKIVO Backup and Replication deployed on Windows. To start, go to Settings and then click Software Update. The current version of NAKIVO Backup and Replication is 10.10.1. The latest available version as of the time of making this video is 11.0. You can download and update the product directly from the NAKIVO web interface. Alternatively, you can download the updater of the latest version from the NAKIVO website and run the downloaded updater for Windows. Just go to nakivo.com/resources/download/update. This method can also be used if the latest version is not displayed in the web interface of NAKIVO Backup and Replication. Then you can right-click the exe file of the updater and run it as administrator. Make sure that you have a backup of the system configuration in your backup repository. Now I will update NAKIVO Backup and Replication to the latest version manually. To do that, I have to go to the downloaded updata package, right-click the exe file and click Run as Administrator. Wait for the updater to be initiated. Then select a language and click Apply. Click I accept the license agreement and click Update now. Updating is in progress. You can see that the update has been successfully done. Click Finish. Go to the web interface of NAKIVO Backup and Replication and press Refresh in the web browser. The NAKIVO solution is starting. Wait until all services are started successfully. Then you can check whether the version has been updated. Now log in and check the version by going to Help and About. You can see that the version is now 11.0. It means that the product has been updated successfully.